Welcome back, everybody. Automotive Inc. Today we're in the office. We're talking about automotive news. Hyundai is in the process of recalling 2025 Hyundai Palisades for risk of fire. Is yours affected? We'll get to that in just a second. Before we get going, if you don't mind smashing the subscribe button, helps a small channel out. Like and notification bell, and check out tons of videos over on the channel. Go up to the search bar and search to your heart's desires. We have all kinds of everything automotive. So basically, Hyundai on their new 2025 Palisade was notified by one of its parts suppliers that there may be an issue due to a rotten spring in the production line, which made this thing happen. And what is going on with it is this connection allows water to get into the connection between the electric oil pump and the actual PCB. So that is not a good thing. And what's happening is they're saying if water does intrude it, it can short out and then cause a fire. So they're asking owners of those new vehicles to park outside. Now, unless you're roasting marshmallows around a fire, most fires aren't good in general, but that's what they're saying. You can continue to go ahead and operate the vehicle, use the vehicle as you will, but as they're narrowing down all of these concerns, they're the ones that found it, and NHTSA didn't do it first. They're actually filing this with NHTSA to get it taken care of. I will say the Hyundai and Kia are excellent about their quality control in most regards, but all manufacturers bring in parts from other people, other companies and distributors to put the actual vehicles together. So that is a potential problem. So if you don't know if yours is affected, all you have to do is go down in the description below. I will link NHTSA's website. You can go there, click that, and type in your VIN. Hyundai says they're anticipating notifying all the dealers by mail and no later than July 4th of 25. So that is a little bit of a wait. So if you have a 25 Palisade, I would go over to NHTSA's website. The recall number I'll put down in the description also is 25 V as in Victor -291. And you can see if your new Palisade is a potential fire hazard. As guys, I always appreciate you guys being here, and we will catch you on the next one.